Welcome back to Street Treasures. It is definitely it's a nice day. It's actually right at 90 degrees comparatively to 103. So we are going to be starting off with actually a grill. It's done rotted out in the bottom. Got a little bit of cleaning solution. Nothing too special. I'll test the handles, make sure they're not of the stainless steel variety. If they are, we'll take them off. But it's a good start to the day. See if we can fill the trailer today. I got a lot of new people here and a lot of new questions. Also, thank you everyone for saying happy birthday. It was great. I had a blast. I'm not gonna lie. We've done a lot of family stuff, and that's really what was nice about it. And yeah. It's still. Okay, well. But thank you all for saying happy birthday. It was an awesome day. Still some degree going on. If you know, if I still have cake at the house, it's still my birthday, right? I'm gonna get a strap on this. Go ahead and start by getting this stuff somewhat organized and take this off. Well, we're back at it. We got a few things here. Actually, we got a vacuum, we got some aluminum here, and these are actually metal. But what's getting me is that's metal too. So we're gonna have to kind of break this thing down, it seems, to get everything. That's fine. We'll do a little work. Didn't even see you there, Mr. Water Pump. I got a home for you inside the grill. So looks like a few pieces of metal here and there too in here with some duct tape on. Hey, I tried to fix it first. I'll give them props. Uh-oh, we got a runaway bag. We'll have to catch it in a second. It didn't run off too far. Okay, we're good still. We're good. Just kind of break it down. Plastic, metal, plastic, some trash bags. All right, so sorry, had to press the pause button. There's something in that box that y'all don't need to see, so that happens. That actually happens. But we got it taken care of. Well, scooter. We got the vroom vroom car. Does the hood pop on it? Is that where the battery's at, or is that above our seat? I gotta get this grill. We'll get that taken care of in a minute too. Oh, flat tire. Flat tire. No, put it back on. Good as new. All right. We're about down to the frame part, which I think I'm gonna go ahead and unhook the grill and put it behind it. That's a good play, right? That's a good idea. Open sesame. Your new home. That's bright to the face. All right. Yeah, that's heavy. Run away back again. Come on. What in the devil? Look here now. Look. I understand you made the fold into a bed, but a little bit of assistance. Y'all hold that side over there for me, okay? Blah, 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 blah. Oh, you're a real pain in the rear, ain't you? Oh, come on. All right. Plans. Close you. Check. Move you up. Double check. Now you got to go in the side of the bed. No, don't fall. And these straps. We'll get it done. We'll need the drill now. Are you on this side? No. Should have just let the tailgate down. No, stubborn me. Getting the battery though. Those are still on chopping block too. I get them taken apart. Last week birthday and all, you know, things happen. Runaway bag, no more. All right, we've been here long enough. I'm gonna get that strap down. Fight with it for another 5 minutes. And we'll go about our business. Sound like a good idea? Well, that vacuum's toast. All right. The plan is to push the grill up, stand it up, strap it down, good to go. We got us a fan here. Oh, it's heavy too. All of them but one blade was broke. You want to finish breaking it off? We got a little cleaning up to do on this one, but I went ahead and switched to the yellow strap on that because, well, those little red ones, they're good. No, that's me lying. They're just not, they're not gonna hold nothing. That one broke too, so. We are temporarily in their driveway, but I really need to see what they have here. That's coax. Ain't that a shame? We got a few things getting nonetheless, but would have been nice if all that was wire just sitting there. Couldn't really see it when I was going by, but hey, got a chainsaw. Got some chairs, lights. Chainsaw might be okay. Come. I'll play with this when I get home. Chainsaw. Be my third one. Know what I need with all these chainsaws. I could always sell one of them, right? Plastic. This is a box, bucket full of hinges and whatnot. Light ballast, caulk gun, some chairs. I think I've already said the chairs, but y'all get the concept. Release gun. Some chairs. Y'all see anything else? I think we're good. Not sure if it's metal. Yeah, it's metal. What, the base of a washer or dryer, I guess? heavier than I thought. Man, that's been a trend today. And I got a magnet on the side. Yeah, it's all wood. Okay. Take the dryer base, washer base, the base of something. We like these. Hold that for me, why don't you? Do a good job. And the wire shelving. If we get too full, these actually make decent somewhat sides, you know. Put one here and then one over there, and but right now we're just kind of finding a little bit here, a little bit there, here and there, and maybe we can just make this full. That's the plan anyway. Well, it's a snapper. Is it gonna bite me? It's definitely seen better days, but you know what though? We got room. My thought process is just right here. Easy enough. Right? I gotta get all my cords up. All right, Mr. Snapper, let's see how rough you make it on me. I already had a futon frame about kill me, so it's your turn. We're gonna do the roll part first. We're gonna do the roll part first. Oh, that's heavy. It's not that bad. Oh, it's locked up. Come on. Y'all steer that for me? Thank y'all. Such great helps. All right, a little bit longer than I thought. All right. Yeah, that should clear actually. It should clear. All right, we're gonna move some stuff around. I'll be right back. We win. I'm just saying. Whoa. Come on. Why do you gotta be so heavy? Perfect. Good find. We had a lot of weight just then. You're playing nice with the rest of the scrap, ain't you? Well, we got some crutches and some of this, and it just looks like a bunch of miscellaneous stuff, doesn't it? I don't want the rope. Oh. Oh, I gave the chainsaw away, by the way. Just letting y'all know, for whatever it's worth. Guys, super nice watching the channel. Look at that thingamajiggy. The Black & Decker version. I gotta get some cords cut. Take a mop, I guess. That's all wood. Some aluminum. Just like a combination of stuff. And we don't want the hangers. They can go into here. Keep it nice and neat, organized. I don't want that pole. Will you come off? Buzzy? Wuzzy? Oh no. Will not come off. Nope. Got it. That's a heavy duty fan. Heavier than I thought, I should say that. Alright. Keep on grabbing stuff. I guess I'll take it off. Go in there. I could really use like a dryer right now. You know, like that thought. A dryer would be great. Plastic. Won't that melt? Weird. See it all. Radio. It made it. Oh, another chainsaw. I'm probably about to take some time and clean this stuff up in a minute. Who ever heard of a plastic light? It's got a cord. I was just taken back by the plasticness of it. Like it's, like, look at that. All right, well, it is what it is, I guess. See what else is out there. Scrap is kind of dried up a little bit, but we do have some bed rails, bed frames, bed things, bed objects, thingamajiggies, and we got the room. Still got the room for actually one big thing. We could kind of consolidate most of it to kind of here. Yeah, here. So we got room. It's just gotta find that one thing though. And that's the saving grace currently today. The old Cashapp lawnmower. So, hey. No, it's locked. I needed to try to pull it. I needed to. So I was about to start kind of clearing out for the next big item, thank God. And this is laying here. I have no idea. It's 160 gig. Works. It's got a crack on it though, but okay. Actually, I know where it came from. It came out of here, right here. This was just open, so that's where it came from. But hey, you know, I guess that's why you gotta check everything. I'm gonna back your trailer up a little bit and we'll be right back. And I about missed it and had to kind of back up. It's kind of sandwiched in between two here. Just kind of almost missed it. Everything seems to be everything. Let's get it done. And up. Well, there she is. There she sits. Our other big item that we needed. Let's kind of get the load to that point. We're still working to that point where I don't have room no more. We're still working there. We're on the way though. We got a dehumidifier. Yeah. Oh, it's heavy. It's a heavy one. What? Yeah, it's the old school heavy ones. We like those for real. Not too sure what I'm looking at, but I did see lawnmower blades, so I mean, we're gonna stop for those. Oh, there's more here. Is all this steel? Yep, that's all steel. It's heavy stuff. Huh. Dig pile. Yes, please. Got a toolbox. You just seen that. I wonder where the trampoline stuff is. Just like it is. We'll give her a test. See if she's all right. Probably not, to be honest. Dashboard stuff. I think that's about it. I don't really see anything else. I mean, I'm thankful for what we got. We got a printer. The potential was quite up there. Well, the trampoline parts, of course, right? But well, happy with it. Load is kind of getting there. We got some pretty decent heavy items on there right now. Well, that wraps up the day. We got, I'm gonna say we got lucky. The lawnmower and the dryer, well, washing machine, it's all the same, right? They're white boxes normal, but those definitely helped the load. We did get the grill, and the futon about took me out, but yeah, those are smaller things really if you think about it, considering I thought that was big plates of steel. I was about to change my whole tone for a second, but no, we did all right. We did good. The lawnmower and the washing machine definitely was the heavier items today. We did find the grill and so on and so forth. I mentioned it earlier, but I did give the chainsaw to an individual. He likes tinkering, so I'll let him play with it. I've got a few chainsaws, but other than that, we're gonna take this load to the yard. It's good enough. I gotta process some cords and whatnot, but other than that, it's gonna take me a few minutes at best. And we actually do have room on the trailer, which is kind of crazy. I'm hoping for 60-70 bucks, but my tug-o-meter slash all that stuff has kind of been off lately, so we'll see. But I do hope you enjoyed it so far. I'll see you in the morning though. I mean, I'm acting like I'm cutting out an intro, but I mean an outro, but no, we still got one more little segment to do, and yeah, we'll get there. But I will definitely see y'all in the morning, and I should have all this stuff processed by then. So yeah. Welcome back to the channel. I did get all that stuff processed, but we got a predicament. I don't think I can get it on there, to be honest. But what I can do is take the grates, right? That's the majority of the weight anyway. And I guess leave the rest maybe? I don't like leaving stuff, but at the same time, you know, I could, if I would have consolidated more up front, I would have been all right. It's still pretty long though. We'll just take the grates. It has weight on, you know, and maybe somehow pick it up. It's not that heavy though. I wonder if I can just throw it on top, strap it down. Let me work on some stuff. I don't like leaving metal. Well, we did get that strap down, but they just brought this chair out, so we may get a little scrap action in before we go to the yard. It's probably about 8 o'clock, 8:30. But it's cloudy, so it's not too bad. Maybe aluminum actually. We'll get it tested. I gotta walk. Quick manual test. Still. Oh well. We like it either way. I'm gonna run the strap through this too. So yeah, I'll be right back. We got a strap over there on the chair too. We should be good. Let's continue with this. We may be able to get a better load for sure. We're still finding a few things here and there. All right. Wow, look at that thing. It's aluminum. That's aluminum. The weight gets you. The weight's like, I don't have a lot to me. I don't know where the trash truck is. I did talk to the trash man, but I don't know where the grabber is, so we'll keep on. All right, well, it's weird because like every other road that we go down, it's been picked up or not, and yeah, it's too sporadic. Like, I guess they're running multiple trash trucks. I guess that makes sense, really. But we're gonna go ahead and go to the yard, get this unloaded. We did find the chair. We found some aluminum. We found some that grill, which, I mean, fallen a little bit. It wasn't bad though. It wasn't as bad as the futon yesterday, but you know, just small details. So we're gonna go ahead and head to the yard, see what this weighs and what this pays, and yeah, it's Monday. Nothing more to say about it. All right, now let's get this unloaded real quick. It won't take too long, right? Now with him on the excavator. My reflect. Ooh, that's on there tight. All right, stand back. Turned out to be a good load, really, it did. I guess I should have unlocked the transmission on that. I seen the pin, I just didn't pull it yesterday. So, smoky. That daggone futon just pushed all that crap down. I'm telling you. Oh, router didn't work. I did test it. Wow, just if y'all wondering. Finish getting this unloaded. It's not going to take too long. I'm going to cut a few cords too, so I'll be back. Well, we did the thing. Well, Noah did the thing. He pulled it out and then we kind of just kicked and pushed the rest of it out. We didn't have a ton of stuff on here really. We had the big thing was the lawnmower. the dryer probably. The futon bed about took us out, but that's another thing. But it really wasn't that heavy. We did find the grill this morning in the chair. That definitely helped the load out. But we actually had 1,120 pounds. I don't know how much a lawnmower weighs, the riding style, but it apparently had some weight to it. 8 cents a pound currently, $89.60. So $90 for yesterday. We'll say yesterday's payout was, I mean, I don't think it was $10, but we'll just take $10 off of it. So $80 on yesterday. We picked up another $9 today. But all in all, great time. Awesome. Wasn't actually super hot, had a nice breeze. We do have rain in the forecast coming, so that is actually a blessing. It's all in the afternoon hours though, and then I think the highs the next few days is going to be like 80s. Now, a person asked me, do I prefer summer or winter? Neither. I would rather it just be nice. I mean, I don't mind being hot. I don't mind being sweaty. I mean, yeah, it's bad, but I have a cooler back here that I kind of fill up with ice every day, and I'll do it again. And it's just got waters in it. That's kind of how I stay hydrated during the summer. During the winter, I don't need them as much. I just keep one in the truck. Well, a few in the truck. But yeah, that's kind of all I got today. And but we'll hit it again tomorrow. We'll see what else is out there. We'll try to fill the trailer again. If we can have a few $89 days, I will never ever shy a stick at that. But that's kind of enough of my rambling for today. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like, share, and subscribe. We are almost to 6,000 subs, y'all. Man, y'all are awesome, for real. It's just I do appreciate it. I try to keep it really just scrap related. I don't know if you've noticed. I don't do a lot of filler. You know, I could probably fill some spots here or there about me talking about nonsense or this or that or things, but and make an hour-long video. I could, but I think you're here for the scraps. I do. The scoops, as Mr. Scrappity calls them. But no, enough of me rambling on, and I will definitely see you on the next one. Bye.